Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. It's June 20th, 1 o'clock p.m. It's raining. Raining good. Just came over the hill and it started pouring like this. What do you think, Kurt?
Good.
Good. Raining. That's great. Good for the yards, I guess. Pouring out, huh? Sometimes you go over the next hill and just be dry. I like driving in the rain myself. It's kind of nice. A lot of the bikes will pull over to make the roads easier to go. Easier on the tires because the pavement's not quite so hot. That's all I got, guys. Enough rain, huh? Almost home. Take care, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Take care.